Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Age of Wonders 4 Rise from Ruin game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and then check. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game installation folder. Now select the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen automation, hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, again come back, uncheck all of this, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services tab and then select hide all Microsoft services. After that, click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here also you have to do the same thing, select the application and then click on disable. So after disabling it, go back, click on OK, and finally launch the game and then check. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, shadow quality, resolution, or other things, then the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So you are suggested to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to stop overclock on CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page where you can easily check whether there is any update available or not. Click on check for updates option and wait for some time. This will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it, the game, and then check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it, and now here you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, now close this and restart your PC. After restarting PC, launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now here you have to click on in game and have to check enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and then check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username and then click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Sometimes the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Age of Wonders 4's Rise from the Ruin game. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Age of Wonders 4 Rise from Ruin game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Age of Wonders 4's Rise from Ruin game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.